Okay, I'm going to show you how to create a Stanstore account, get that set up, and then add your digital product to your Stanstore. If you do not already have a Stanstore, you're going to want to click the link in the instructions. That will take you to this page, and you will also get a free 2-week trial. So you'll go ahead and click on Sign Up Now, which will then take you to this screen. You will fill this out with the username of your choice, your name, email, phone number, password. You'll click here on Start Your 14-Day Trial. Once you are in and your account is set up, you're going to first want to go down here to Settings. Make sure your profile is complete, and then you want to go over here to Payments and set up either Stripe and or PayPal so you can accept payments. You can change your currency, and if you choose, you can add terms and conditions here. Then on this email notifications tab, this is personal preference of what you receive emails for from Stanstore. And then next, you're going to go right over here to My Store. You're going to scroll all the way down to Add a Product. You're going to choose Digital Product if you want them to go straight to the screen to purchase, or you can choose Collect Emails if you want to collect their emails before giving them the information. You can do that as well. For this, we're going to keep it super simple. We'll go to Digital Product. And from here, it is so super easy. There's really nothing you need to do besides fill things out. So the first thing is pick a style. You'll see right over here, that's what this is. There's the button, the call out, the preview. I like to use the call out. This is how it's going to look on your home screen of Stanstore. Then you're going to go select your image, and you can either use one of theirs, although these probably don't apply to digital marketing. You can upload the photo provided. You can create your own, or there's a Canva cover photo that you can use. So you'll put that in there, and then you'll just name your product title. So Facebook groups list, whatever you want to call it. You can leave these the same or change it. Again, this is just going to show right here the subtitle, and then whatever the button name is. If you want to say get it now, whatever you want that to say, you'll just edit that. You'll click next. Again, you will choose your image. You can use the same one or a different one, doesn't matter. And then this is the page that they're going to see once they click on your product. This page will be more descriptive. So the only thing you're going to want to change right here on the title is get my Facebook group list now. And then right here, what you're going to do, you're going to just delete that whole thing. You're then going to go back to the document with the instructions. You'll scroll down to product description, copy that entire section and paste it right into here. And it has everything that you need here. You might want to fix the spacing a little bit just to your liking. And it's up to you if you want to include the System IO information. We can probably add here that we're also giving step-by-step instructions for Stanstore. So you can add something like that right in there. And then right here, this is your preview over here. You are going to say, get the list. Again, that can be whatever you want. And then this call to action button is going to be the button that shows here at the bottom. You're going to set your price to $10. And then what you're going to do here is you're going to grab the link for the Google Sheet, which is also in the document with instructions. You're going to choose redirect to a URL. You'll go ahead and open the Google Doc, hit this share button right here, copy link. Then you are going to paste that right into the redirect URL, and then you can name it Facebook Groups List. Now, before you're done, if you want, you can save this as a draft. But then you're also going to want to go up here to options and add your confirmation email, which again is in the document with all the instructions. What I would do here is leave all of this, click right in here, hit enter, and then you can paste your email right in there. So Stanstore automatically fills in the customer name, the product name, and the product file based on what the customer ordered. Then you can copy and paste this from the instruction sheet straight into the email. It's automatically going to put your username as well. If you want to put like your full name or something, you can. And then these are already going to be linked because you copied it from the instructions. So I am going to go in here and add, and this will be updated on the instruction sheet as well, that this is the done for you System.io account or funnel. And that's just if somebody wants to use System.io, and if you do 3 lines, you'll get that page break. I like that. And then I'm going to put another page break here. And there you have your email. Again, you can change this however you like, but this gives them all of the links that they need, the product page that opens to the Google Doc, as well as the Facebook group. And then you can publish this. So once you publish, it's then on your store, and you can move this around just like this. I'm going to move it up top. So this is what it's going to look like when somebody clicks your page. Here is my Facebook group list. This is how it looks on your page. I'll show you a preview. So when you're done with this and you want to save it or share it with people, you're just going to click these 3 dots, click copy URL, and then I am going to log out so you can see what it looks like from somebody else. You're just going to pop that in there, and then this is what it's going to look like. It's beautiful. It's simple. There's not hardly any setup with Stanstore. And then that's it. Once they purchase, they'll get the email. You will also get an email confirmation, and they're all set.